Hey everyone, Jojo here, and today I am back with a new unboxing. Today I'll be unboxing Thermal Lacerta WA130HF. It's a balance type. So this is a new release by Hasbro. Takara told me I already had this out, but Hasbro has this out now in the United States, or North America, I guess. So it's new packaging, and yeah. Let me talk about the packaging real quick. I think it looks so much better than the older ones. It looks a little bit more dynamic, I guess you could say. Like it's clear. You could see my hand through it, and well, I don't know. The older packaging was just like really bright and blue and just kind of childish. And I really like this packaging. It's more on a mature level, I guess you could say. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing. First, here's the front of the box. And yeah, in the back here are the stats. Baseball energy ring, fusion wheel, spin track, performance tip, and yeah. So yeah, let's get to it. So there's nothing else in there. I think there's a code inside, so I'll give that away later. And here is the launcher, record and tool and instructions. Oh, and the stickers too. So I really like the color, it's pretty cool. Dark red, maroon-ish. Let's put that right there. Tool, the same color. And instructions, I'll take a look at that later. And the stickers, very colorful. Very bright. Blue, pink, green. And onto the bay. Oh, and finally they don't have that little sticker thing that you have to put on here. It's all tattooed now. It's cool. And the packaging is different. It's not in that little capsulated thing where you have to peel the sticker off or the tape off, and it takes forever to take off. But yeah, Lacerta baseball, which is a lizard. The Lacerta clear wheel. If you see kind of closely, it says it says Lacerta, but it's all jumbled up in there. And the thermal metal wheel. Nothing too special, it's very shiny. And WA130, which stands for wing attack. It's free spinning. It's kind of like ED, but it has these two wings instead. It's pretty cool. And finally, hole flat. Typical hole flat. It's like a nice sky blue or baby blue, however you want to see it. And yeah, let's put all these parts together now. And yeah, there you have it, Thermal Lacerta WA130HF. And someone's texting me. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Oh, the code. So first come, first serve, I guess. And yeah, that's the end of the video because my phone's ringing. Alright, see you guys later.